Welcome to the show. On this show, I'm going to go over market data of Central Iowa in general, just kind of my thoughts, the story behind what the numbers are telling us, the forecasting of what they're going to be. So this is May, the first couple weeks of May of 2022. If you are looking to see what the market is doing right now, please continue on, and I'm going to share what the news headlines for June and July are going to be. So this first slide, we're going to go over year-to-date homes for sale by property type. Again, it's year-to-date all home sales, 2022 versus 2021. In all categories of homes, 2022 has outpaced 2021 of closed deals to date. Condos, townhomes are behind in 2022 versus 2021. So keep that in mind. To date, units sold is above or more have sold in 2022 than 2021. Now, that's not the entire story. This slide tells the future instead of just the past. So the last was closed sales. This is pending sales. So properties that are under contract. What this is telling us is there has been a drop from 2021 to 2022 of about 21%. So that means in June and July, we're going to have headlines, news headlines that says housing market slumps 21%. I can almost guarantee it. We're going to have local headlines that say that. So keep in mind, we are projecting that. We are seeing that. Now, does that mean that the housing market is actually slumping? Next slide. Here's the next slide. It is 2019, 2020, 2021, and 2022 median sale price. And if you can see, and this is across the MLS, as you can see, if you just kind of rough estimate, in 2021, we were sitting about 235, 230, 235. That was the median sale price. Right now, we are up at 260. So again, what that is telling us is last year, property values were at least 15% below what they are in 2022. And even though closed sales is going down, so we're at pending, we have fewer properties under contract, it is a very good chance that the values of the houses, at least in the next quarter, 2 quarters, we're not going to see a decrease in value. And this data, these slides, they tell that story. I really wanted to record this video because I listen to the news, I hear a lot of projections, and I want to kind of get ahead of the game. If you're watching this, you're trying to figure out the market, you're trying to understand the market. And that's what I really try to help people do, is understand and forecast what they can expect out of the market. And these slides tell a really, really good picture of we're going to see headlines, we're going to have some fear in the future markets, but the actual values of houses do not appear to be going to go down in the foreseeable future. This information is only as good as the day I look at it. So it is possible something changes tomorrow and that forecast completely changes. So you need to be working with someone that is helping you stay abreast of what the market is doing for wherever you're purchasing houses. For me, that's Des Moines. I help people buy and sell, invest in Des Moines. And if you are looking in that Central Iowa, Des Moines area, whether it's clear up north in North Ankeny, or if it's down in Indianola, or if it's anywhere in between, Waukee, Altoona, doesn't matter. Our team works with people that are looking to buy, sell, or invest in any part of the state, or any part of the city, excuse me, not state. I won't travel too far. I don't know those markets. I pay attention to this market data. So if that interests you, please reach out to us. We'd be happy to help, at least just give you an idea of what we're seeing in the market and in the type of property that you are specifically looking for. Thank you. Until next time, see ya. And to wrap this up, I have to give complete credit to the guy who put all this data together, Les Solgrove at DesMoinesMarketValues.com. He pulls all of the MLS data and shares it with all of us so that we have a good perspective of what's going on in the market and we can interpret the data. Again, thank you, Les Solgrove. Appreciate all the work you do.